In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI. To begin, open your web browser and sign in to your Monday.com account. Once you are in, make sure you are on the home area of your Monday.com workspace. This is your starting point, and it is where you can access the marketplace to add integrations and apps. Next, head to the search area where you can look for apps in the Monday.com marketplace. Click into the search field so your cursor is active, and then type Power BI. Take your time here and make sure the spelling is correct, because marketplace results are based on what you enter. After you type it in, you should see matching results appear. From the search results, locate and select Power BI Connector by Tempo. This is the connector used to link Monday.com data to Power BI for reporting and dashboards. Click the listing to open the app page, where you can review the overview and confirm you are choosing the correct connector. On the app page, click Install App. Installing an app in Monday.com usually requires the right permissions, so if you do not see the install option, you may need to ask an admin on your account to enable it for you. When the install flow opens, click Install to confirm. Give it a moment to complete since Monday.com may take a few seconds to add the app to your workspace. After the installation is finished, click Add App. This finalizes adding the connector into your Monday.com environment so you can start using it. Once the app is added, you will be taken to the connector area. Now click Connect Boards to get started. This is where you begin linking your Monday.com boards to the connector so the data can be made available for Power BI. When you connect boards, choose the boards that contain the data you want to analyze, such as project tracking, sales pipelines, or operational workflows. It is a good idea to start with one board first, confirm it is connected successfully, and then expand to additional boards once everything looks right. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.